In the previous video, we installed Anaconda in our Ubuntu based system, and in this video we are going to see how can we activate a virtual environment in our Anaconda. First of all, why is it needed? So let me first explain why is it needed. Let me first show you in the Anaconda prompt only. If I open up my command window in Ubuntu and I type pip freeze, it will list up all the libraries which is pre-installed in the base directory of Conda. So why is that a problem? Suppose I am working on some Django project and I forgot what are the libraries that I installed in my Django project. So I have to search manually one by one. That would be a headache for me. The other thing is, if I install a pandas for pillow or something in Django, and that panda mess up with some other pandas library which was required for my machine learning project. So what will happen, the two will clash and one of the project will surely fail. So that is why we require virtual environment. To get a virtual environment, simply type pip install virtual env. So I pressed Ctrl Shift V to paste it over here. Our virtual environment package is successfully installed and now we can use it. To use it, I'm going to some location, say desktop, and I am writing virtual env space name of the environment. So I'm naming it venv. Actually, I made a silly mistake. It's virtual env and the name of the package, name of the virtual environment that we want. So it is creating a virtual environment for me. It up venv, source venv bin, then activate. It is activated. Now if I do pip freeze, it should not show any library to me. Yes, it is not showing up any library to me. Now if I install here numpy, pandas or any package by pip, so it will remember what package I have installed. It will keep them separated out from the base of Anaconda and I don't have to search again and again. It will not mess up with the packages which are already installed in the base. So this is the environment, this is the actually importance of having a virtual environment.